Good morning! Today we will discuss the rules of debit and credit. So what is a debit and credit in accounting? Let us begin. Debit, increase in asset, decrease in liabilities, decrease proprietorship due to withdrawal of asset by the owner, increase in expense and losses, decrease in income. While credit, decrease in asset, increase in liabilities, increase proprietorship due to investment by the owner, decrease in expense and losses, and increase in income. So, let us try to analyze each transaction in order for us to understand what really debit is and what credit is. What are the effect of the transactions to our T account or debit and credit. Number 1, or the first transaction here is Austria invested cash 50,000 and computers 200,000. So meaning to say again, si Austria daw ay nag-invest ng cash and computer. So paano natin yon i-analyze? Okay, nag-increase yung asset. Bakit? Kasi nag-increase yung ating cash ng 50,000 and nagkaroon tayo ng computer na 200,000. Kaya nag-increase yung asset natin dahil yung cash and computer ay asset. Increases in owner's equity. Bakit? Dahil nag-invest. Okay, nag-invest or invested ng capital. Okay, so let us check our entry. Okay, cash 50,000, equipment 200,000, and credit capital 250,000. Okay, so we are done with our first transaction. Let us check our second transaction. We have purchase supplies for cash 3,500. Increases asset. Why? Dahil nagkaroon tayo ng supplies. Okay? And decreases in other form of asset. Why? Dahil nagbayad tayo. Okay? Nakalagay dito, purchase of supplies for cash. So meaning to say, hindi natin siya inutang, kundi nawalan tayo ng cash. Always remember that if we have something had been received, we have something to be parted of. Okay? So, ano yung ating entry sa debit and credit? Supplies, 3,500 and credit, cash, 3,500. Okay? Lagi niyong tatandaan. Kapag tayo ay nag-purchase at nakalagay ay for cash or paid, meaning to say, credit natin agad yung cash. Okay. So, sobrang excited, diba? Sobrang nakakatuwa kapag nakukuha natin or na-analyze natin ng tama ang bawat transaction sa accounting. Okay. Proceed na tayo sa ating transaction number 3. Purchase computer tables on credit from ABC Furniture amounting to 45,000 pesos. Okay, increases asset kasi nagkaroon tayo ng computer tables. And increases liability dahil on credit. 'Di ba? So pag on credit, increases liability. Bakit? So let us check. Tingnan natin kung anong entry natin sa debit. Furniture and fixtures kasi computer tables amounting to 45. Yung credit natin ay accounts payable. Bakit accounts payable? Hindi cash. E nag-purchase tayo. Dahil hindi na mention dito na on cash or for cash. Instead, on credit. Always remember this. On credit or on account. Yan, lalagay natin accounts payable. Okay? Ibig sabihin, na-acquire natin yung furniture and fixtures dahil sa inutang natin siya. Okay? So next, let us try transaction number 4. Receive 44,000 from various customers for computer rentals. So, ang business natin is computer rentals, meaning to say we are providing services. So, let us check the effect. Okay, increases asset. Bakit? Naka-receive tayo ng 44,000. So, kapag yung transaction ay silent at nakalagay lang is receive, okay, hindi tayo nag-bill ha, tandaan, receive, okay, may P, yung 44,000 from various customers. So, meaning to say, tayo ay nakatanggap ng cash. Okay, nakatanggap tayo ng cash, galing saan? Galing daw sa customers. So, meaning to say, income natin yon. Okay, increases yung asset, increases din yung owner's equity. Sorry guys, this is owner's equity, it should be, no? So, ano natanggap natin ulit? 44,000 cash and credit service income, 44,000. Take note, this is not asset. Nagkaroon lang tayo ng typographical error. It should be increases in owner's equity. Please take note guys ha. Okay, we are done with our transaction number 4. So, let us check our transaction number 5. Sent a bill to Kaye for rent services, 5,000. Okay, nag-send daw tayo ng billing. So, ibig sabihin, naka-perform na tayo ng services. Okay, pag ganito yung ating transaction, okay, tayo yung nagbigay ng bill to Kaye. Okay, so, meaning to say, increases asset. And, increases owner's equity ulit. Okay, bakit kaya nag-increase an asset? Okay, meron tayong account receivable na 5,000. And service income of 5,000. Account receivable guys is asset ha. Don't forget that. Okay, kung titingnan natin yung ating accounting equation expanded, yung service income or sales natin ay nasa owner's equity. Diba? Okay. So, it is very easy to understand naman or to analyze yung ganitong transaction. Okay, tapos na tayo sa ating transaction number 5. We can now move to transaction number 6. Paid ABC Furniture the full amount due. Okay, kung natatandaan natin, magkano ba inutang natin sa ABC Furniture? Yes, ABC Furniture. Magkano inutang natin? Diba, nag-debit tayo ng furniture and fixtures, 45,000, and accounts payable, 45,000 credit. So, ngayon, dito sa transaction number 6, binayaran daw natin si ABC. Okay. So, anong gagawin natin? Nawalan tayo ng cash dahil nag-paid tayo. Okay. So, binayaran natin magkano? Full amount. So, ibig sabihin, binayaran natin yung buong 45,000. Tama? Okay. So, tingnan muna natin. Nag-decrease yung ating liability. At nag-decrease din yung ating asset. Okay, bakit kaya? Dahil, nagbayad tayo ng cash na 45,000. Ayun, nakakredit agad. Okay? Kasi merong word na paid. Ayan, huwag niyong kakalimutan to ha. Kapag paid, pag kayo ang nag-paid, okay? Pag kayo ang nag-paid ulit sa inyong supplier, so ibig sabihin, kayo yung nag-cash out, okay? Credit agad yon yung cash. Okay, ano yung debit? Decreases liability daw. Accounts payable. So, kung kanina, na-credit natin yung accounts payable, ngayon, i-debit na natin. Dahil, paid na. Okay, accounts payable, 45,000 debit, and credit, cash, 45,000 pesos. Nawalan ka ng cash at the same time, nawalan ka din ng utang. Okay, yun yung kapalit. Nung cash na binitawan mo, nawalan ka ng utang or wala ka ng utang kay ABC Furniture. Okay, we are done with transaction number 6. We can now move on to transaction number 7. Okay, ano daw yun? Received 2,000 from Kaye as partial payment for her account. Ayan, si Kaye kasi yung may utang sa atin or sa'yo. So, nag-partial payments siya. Ano natanggap nyo? Cash. Okay, receive cash. Okay, increases asset and decreases in other form of asset. Okay, since nakatanggap ka ng cash na 2,000, debit cash 2,000 and credit account receivable. So, nawalan ka ng pautang dahil nga bayad na si Kaye sa'yo ng 2,000 pesos. Okay, so let us now move on to our next transaction. Transaction number 8. Withdraw 6,000 pesos for personal use. Okay, so let us check kung debit decreases owner's equity. Bakit kaya? And credit decreases asset. Okay. Decreases owner's equity dahil merong drawings. Okay, drawings is 6,000 pesos. And cash, 6,000 pesos. Kasi nag-withdraw siya ng 6,000 for personal use. Meaning to say, yung company mo or yung business mo, nabawasan yung cash because of drawings. Okay? Next is, paid the helper's wages 10,000 pesos. O, again, nakita na naman natin yung paid. Tayo yung nagbayad or ikaw yung nagbayad sa iyong helper. Okay? So, anong nangyari? Okay, let us check. So, decreases owner's equity and decreases asset. Okay? So, let us check the account title and the amount. Salary expense. Diba kasi doon sa ating expanded accounting equation, kung babalikan natin, ang owner's equity ay capital plus revenue, capital minus drawings plus revenue minus expenses. So, meaning to say, lahat ng expenses decreases owner's equity and always, remember, always debit. Lahat ng account title na may expense, laging debit. Okay, magkano daw? 10,000 pesos. So, dahil binayad mo, anong ibinayad mo? Okay, binayad mo ay peso. Okay, cash. Okay, nawalan ka ng cash dahil binayaran mo yung iyong salary ng iyong helpers. Okay, we are done with transaction number 9. We can now proceed to our transaction number 10. Okay, number 10, pay the rent for the shop, which is 5,000 pesos. Okay, decreases owner's equity and decreases asset. Let us check kung bakit. So, ayan, meron ulit paid. Anong binayaran natin? Rent for the shop, amounting to 5,000 pesos. Okay, debit, rent, expense. Again, yung expense ay decreases of owner's equity, and always remember na lahat ng accounting title na may expense or lahat ng expense account ay always debit. And ano yung nawala sa atin? Ano yung pinambayad natin is peso. Kaya, credit, cash, 10,000 pesos. Again, nawalan ka ng cash dahil binayaran mo yung iyong rentals. Okay? Next, try this. We are done with our 9 transactions. So, I would like you to try this. Purchase computer set on account worth 25,000 pesos. What is the debit and what is the credit? Comment your answer below. Bye. Bye.